I can understand this.
Hey, do you need help?
I'm glad you're here na. Can you help me in my assignment?
Let me see. Oh, it's DNA.
Ate, what's DNA and RNA and their structures?
What is DNA and RNA and their structures comparison? Let's find out in this video. Keep watching! DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is a molecule that carries the genetic instructions for development, functioning, growth, and reproduction of all living organisms, and many viruses. Its primary function is to store and transmit genetic information from one generation to the next.
DNA is composed of two long strands forming a double helix, made up of nucleotides containing a sugar phosphate backbone and four nitrogenous bases. And these are adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine. These bases pair with each other in a specific manner. Adenine with thymine and cytosine with guanine, enabling DNA to replicate accurately and transmit genetic information during cell division and reproduction.
DNA serves as a template for the synthesis of RNA, which in turns directs the synthesis of proteins essential for various cellular functions.
What about RNA? What is RNA?
Let's find out.
RNA, or ribonucleic acid, is a molecule too similar to DNA but with some structural and functional differences. RNA only have one strand. It is found in the cytoplasm of the cell. The sugar in RNA are called ribose.
RNA also contains four nitrogenous bases. In RNA, guanine is paired with cytosine, while the other adenine is paired with uracil this time. RNA plays crucial roles in various cellular regulation processes, including protein synthesis, gene regulation, and the transmission of genetic information.
The main types of RNA are messenger RNA or mRNA, transfer RNA or tRNA, and ribosomal RNA or rRNA. Each type has a specific functions.
Messenger RNA, or mRNA, carries the genetic information from DNA in the cell nucleus to the ribosomes in the cytoplasms, where protein synthesis occurs.
tRNA, or also known as transfer RNA, is responsible for bringing amino acids to the ribosome during protein synthesis. Each tRNA molecule carries a specific amino acid and contains an anti-codon sequence.
Ribosomal RNA or rRNA is a component of ribosomes, which are the circular machinery responsible for protein synthesis.
Let's compare DNA and RNA.
DNA and RNA are both nucleic acids, but they differ in structure.
DNA typically exists as a double-stranded helix with two complementary strands held together by hydrogen bonds between their nitrogenous bases, while RNA is usually single-stranded, although it can be formed secondary structures through intranuclear base pairing.
DNA uses the bases adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine, while RNA uses adenine, uracil, cytosine, and guanine.
And in their function, DNA primarily serves as a genetic material carrying the hereditary information that determines an organism's shape. And RNA has various functions, including messenger RNA or mRNA, carrying genetic information from DNA to protein synthesis machinery. Transfer RNA or tRNA, transporting amino acids during protein synthesis. Ribosomal RNA or rRNA, forming the structure of ribosomes and other regulatory roles in gene expression.
The study of DNA, RNA, and the central dogma of genetic information transfer provides a foundation for understanding heredity and genetic expression. These concepts have far-reaching implications in various scientific and practical applications.
Now, what is mutation? Mutation is a change in an organism's genetic material. It can happen because of mistakes, when self-divide, or from outside factors like radiation or chemicals. These changes can affect how an organism looks and behaves. Sometimes, mutation can be helpful, harmful, or have no effect at all. Mutations can be beneficial, harmful, or have no noticeable effect on an organism. Beneficial mutation can contribute to the evolution of species by providing advantages in specific environments, while harmful mutation can lead to genetic disorder or reduced fitness. Some mutations may also be neutral, meaning they do not significantly impact the organism's traits.
Now you know what's the difference between RNA and DNA and their structures.
Yes, ate. Thank you for your help.
I hope you learned something about what we have discussed.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. It can be
Wait lang! Sa pa, 1, 2, 3, go! Go.
DNA and RNA.
1, 2, 3, go.
Team!
Uy!
Wait lang!